Hello, myself Sundaram. This is the next level part of the language. So here one person told, so how the things are basically connected. So one person told that to create one human soul basically it's costing 95 lakh crore, but that is going to connect with how many people basically. That is planned basically. That also might be planned basically, but it can't be controlled. Basically. It's very difficult to control basically. Then one of the person told that the visa department basically can control it basically. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically. But here one person told that, for example, they want to decrease the temperature of one country basically. So they basically select few resources from any of the country and they send the resources to that country basically. The temperature automatically gets controlled. But they have created that resource basically. They say that basically we have created this resource, that's why only basically it's getting controlled. So one person told that yes, yeah, that also might be correct basically. That also might be correct. That also might be correct. So one person told that Vadodara basically temperature is 30. Suddenly basically one person entered without any POE, permission of entry. Suddenly basically temperature crossed 40 basically. Few people basically died due to this temperature basically. So here who will be responsible? POE department basically. In this basically lots of people basically comes into the picture basically. So here basically this type of thing basically happens basically. So next video.